how to change profile name on Netflix application. Here in your mobile phone, okay, go to Netflix application. Okay, here in Netflix, okay, application, you can see here the profile here. So I have 5 profile, but for my example, I changed the profile name of this Richard. Okay, to change the profile name, okay, you'll have to do is tap the edit button on the upper right side on your screen, and now you can see the pencil icon on per profile. So if you want to change the name of this profile, okay, tap the pencil icon, and now you can see the profile name here. So okay, to change this, you'll have to do is tap this and change the name. So for my example, I change into Chad D. Richard. And after you change the profile name, tap the done button on the upper right side on your screen to change the name. Okay, tap again the done button on the upper right side to save these settings. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully changed the profile name on Netflix application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.